What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I am showing you how to use Connecteam step by step for beginners. So this is a beginner free tutorial for all the beginners who are new to Connecteam. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Connecteam or connecteam.com. In both the cases, you will be redirected to this dashboard of Connecteam. Now, when you hover a bit here, you can see the operations, the communication, and the HR skills. In the operations, you have features like time clock, scheduling, task management, forms, and checklist. In the task management, the real-time task, delegation, and process tracking is done. In the scheduling, efficient staff scheduling from planning to distribution is done. And in the time clock, smart time tracking with automated time sheets are created, and forms and checklists. And in this, instant field reporting with live results and insights are given. Now, in the communication section, you can update, you can chat, you can create your directories, you can post surveys, you can post your knowledge base, you can schedule or you can announce or promote or manage events. You can ask for help on the help desk. And now in the HR and skills, you have the features of employee ID card, organizational chart, timeline, time off quizzes, training and onboarding, and recognition and rewards. Now, to start using Connecteam, you can either log in or you can start for free. After that, you just enter your first name, your last name, and then your business email, and then create a password. And from where did you hear about them? You can just select from where did you hear about them, and then click on Let's Go. After that, it will sign me up. Now, on the next step, it will ask you what is your company name. Just type in your company name. I am writing a demo company name and I'll write my role in the company and then I'll click on next step. And how many employees do you have? Select your employee count and what is your business industry. Select it and then just simply click on next step and it will ask you which sub-industry fits best. Just click on sporting goods or you can choose by yourself. Click on next step and after that it will tell you to add the right features on your app. You can add these features like time clock, schedule, forms, phone checklist, task management, and in the communication you can add chat and update features, event features, and directory. For example, I am selecting schedule from operations and chat and updates from communications and training and onboarding and document management from HR and skills. So these are the features I want to add in my app. I will select these. You can select based on your requirements. I'll click on next step. So this will ask you to insert your logo or you can browse from your directory or from your storage and then you can upload your logo here. I don't want to upload any logo. I'll just simply click on skip step and then it will ask my mobile number. After that, it will send me a video like welcome to the small businessman. Let me walk you through the steps. You can watch if you want to watch that video. And now it will guide me through the app. Like step one is to go to the job schedule, quick and affiliate scheduling from planning to distribution, even on the go. And after that, get started with chat. You can chat with the most simple, fun, productive, and secure way to communicate with individuals or groups. And then you can log into the mobile app. We send you a text message with a link to download the app on your mobile phone. And it is so exciting. So if you want to download this app from the QR code, you can click here and a QR code will appear. Just scan that QR code on your phone and your app will be installed. But if you don't want anything, just simply skip it. And you can even add another admin to easily manage your company app by adding another admins. And you can even get started with updates to send beautifully designed company updates, easily track who viewed them, and enhance daily engagement. You can even add the documents according to your requirements, like your license, your single place, paper free. And after that, you can get started with directory, have all work contracts in one accessible place from employees to vendors, supplies, and more. So after that, you will be welcome to the home dashboard of Connecteam. Now from here, here's the overview. What are the quick actions you can do is you can add users, you can add admins, you can add a task, or you can send an update. And after that, you can choose your activity, like what was a recent activity. You can see all your activity from here and you can select the active analytics. What are the active analytics? Here are my active analysis and here is the sales versus the labor. And from here you can see the users and you can see the admins from here, like who are the current admins. You can access it from here and you can see the current users. You can see the archive persons that you have archived then from the groups. You can see the smart groups or you can your own smart groups. Now here is the chat section and from here you can communicate and you can go to chat and start using the chat. You can chat with your admins, your users. Here are the updates, the directory, the knowledge base, help desk. You can even add You can even add some more communication tools. And in the operation tools, here is the job scheduling. Remember, guys, these are the features that I have selected previously while logging in. Here are the HR skills like the courses, documents, and celebrations, and operations job scheduling. You can even add more features from here by clicking on Add New. Now, here in the overview section, you can start your live webinars. You can ask for help if you are facing any issue with the application. Here is the small business plan. You can chat and you can see the notifications that are not being read by you or the notifications that admins and the users send, they will be updated here. Here is your profile and your account. You can switch to users view. You can go to settings, notification, and perk marketplace. And if you want to sign out, you can just simply click on sign out from here and you will be signed out of Connecteam. After clicking on settings, here are the logo and the colors like navy blue. So this theme will be previewed in navy blue. If I want it in this color, this will be changed to this color. And for example, I select the gray color. After selecting, just click on Save Changes on the right side to save all the changes. And here are some more options in the settings like the employee card, the admin permissions. In the employee card, you will see the first information layer and the second information layer, like the title of the employee and the employee ID. Here is the company information, like what are the branches, who are the managers assigned for the branches, and how many branches are there, what are the employee counts, and what is the industry. In the billing section, you can see all the bills, and this is the welcome screen to customize your welcome screen, like to add your logo or to add some templates. And these are the feed settings to add a publisher, or you can feed topics. You can create your own custom publishers. And here is the pay rate, like in what currency would you like to pay your employees. and what are the admin permissions in terms of payment. And here are the security, like block admins for 30 minutes after 5 failed password attempts. You can just simply check them according to your company and your own needs. And here are some password strengths, like no plain passwords, or here in the intimate, 6 characters, at least one uppercase. And in the strong, here are the requirements. You can choose anyone from these. And after that, for example, I just simply click here, and to choose intermediate and strong password, you need to upgrade your plan and buy a pro. So if you want to pay premium, you can pay the premium and you can update your password settings. You can choose single sign-on. So by simply signing on in one app, you can automatically sign on to all other apps. And here are some API and integrations. You can add an external API of your own, and you can even add a Zapier API key. And from here you can refer and earn. So that was all about the settings, and this was the detailed walkthrough of the Connecteam website. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you everyone for watching.